this video I'm showing you how you can delete Facebook page permanently in 2021. So firstly open your Facebook app, and this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS, so you have to watch this video until the end. So firstly open your Facebook app, then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you can see under your see your profile you can see the option of pages, and then click on the pages. And now here you have to tap on any of the pages, and after that click on the settings gear in the top right corner, and when you are here you have to tap on the general. So when you are here you have to scroll down, and here you can see the option of remove page or permanently delete with your page name. Click on the permanently delete, and now here you can see the option of deleting a page is permanent, and are you sure you want to delete this page? Click on the delete page, and now it is loading, and here you can see your page has been deleted. So when I again open this page, then you can see there is only one page. So that's it, that how you can delete your Facebook page permanently. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.